need more leads to scale your Amazon FBA online arbitrage business? Great! This is why I made this video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 strategies that are going to help you find at least 10 more leads that you are currently finding every single day. You are going to need to introduce those 3 things, those 3 strategies that I'm going to talk to you about today in your daily routine, in your daily sourcing routine, because you should have a sourcing routine that you do every single day. And all this is going to be in addition to the things that I already told you guys that you should be doing and looking at every single day. Okay, the 2 main things that I'm telling you guys to do every single day if you are running online arbitrage businesses is, first, build a target list or get mine. Okay, and if you do not know what a target list is, okay, a target list is, I'm going to show you mine. All right, a target list is a list with every single website that are currently having a sale and the name of the sale. Okay, this is something that you should have and look at before you start sourcing every single day. You can either get mine, get the list of websites that I build daily myself, d'accord? You can actually get mine with the link in the description. All right, there's a link. It's $1 a day. You can get mine. Or if you don't want to spend the money, you can go ahead and spend 2 hours a day to build this. If you want to build one that is as extensive as this, it's going to take way more. Okay, it's going to take, I have a team working on this full time, pretty much. Okay, so if you want to build something like this, there's a link in the description also for a free ebook that is going to teach you how to source and how to actually build this, okay, yourself. Okay, so if you want to get it for free, you want to do it yourself, you can learn how to do it for free with the ebook in the description, but like just pay $1 a day and get mine. It's the exact same website that I check every single day. Okay, so you should be doing this every single day, and you should be doing some storefront stalking every single day, finding 5 leads a day doing storefront stalking. All right, if you're already doing those 2 things, this is where the tips that I'm going to give you, the strategies that you are going to need to start implementing are really going to start making sense for you to help you find more leads. Okay, it's just stuff that you are going to add on top, because yes, usually you're going to be able, if you do this every single day, you'll be able to find 10 more leads a day. Okay, but the thing is that, you know, some days are going to be dry, it's going to be 0 leads. Some days are going to be great, there is going to be 10, 20, 30 leads. All right, so it really depends on the day. All right, and so this is why it's really stuff that you add on top. Okay, and most of the time it's never going to be 0 leads if you do these things correctly, but it's just some strategies that most people never do. All right, so if you are new, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. All right, so subscribe and like this video and share it. By the way, I never ask you guys to share it, but like share it as well, so your friends can actually learn how to make money and they will stop asking you for money. All right, so the first thing that you should do, by the way, and shameless plug once again, the first thing that you should do is actually get Arbitrage Stalker. And I know so here's the thing, if you're watching this video when it's released, it's probably not available to everybody yet, but you can sign up to receive a notification whenever it does. And whenever it does, I'm going to make somebody win a lifetime 100% free lifetime license for the tool, okay, because I actually developed this tool. Okay, so what is Arbitrage Stalker? It's a tool that is tracking storefront. Okay, so you add some storefront to the tool, and it is going to send you a notification. So you can either look at it on the web interface right there, or it is going to send you a notification on Discord this way whenever a new product is found on a storefront. Okay, so the reason why you want to do this is because, you know, instead of doing some storefront stalking every single day on the same storefront over and over again, those great storefront that you know of that are doing online arbitrage, start tracking them. You're going to start receiving and set it up on your Discord. You're going to start receiving notification whenever they add new products. By the way, do not look at this seller. Do not look at this ASIN. It's just a random storefront. It's just some random storefront that I threw together just to be able to demo the tool. All right, but this is the first thing that you want to do. Okay, get this, set this up, and every morning before you start sourcing, before you start actually building your target list, or you can do it later, by the way. But like what I do, because my team is taking care of the target list and sourcing the target list right now. But what I do when I wake up most days is that I actually go here and I check, and I've been doing it since this summer. I check every single new products that the storefront that I stalk have been adding to their storefront, right? Also, you can check products that have been replenished, okay? So it is a way to catch potential replens, potential products that people buy over and over again, and to determine the sale cycle, all right? So yeah, easy way to do it. This way, this is something that you should be doing every single day. It's going to add a few days to the lead that you're already finding. And so if you want to scale, more leads is not going to be bad, okay? It is definitely going to help you a little bit, okay? That's the first thing that you should add to your routine. Check your leads from Arbitrage Stalker every single day, all right? The second thing that you should do, and this one I made a video not too long ago about it, and this is something that I don't do enough myself because I have too many leads to look at anyways, all right? But the one thing that you can do and that a lot of people are not using is looking at, and I have a whole tutorial on how to do it, okay? On tactical arbitrage, get tactical arbitrage. And by the way, you should get tactical arbitrage. It's such a great tool. I do not even have an affiliate link because they do not do affiliate links, but I highly recommend that you actually get the tool, all right? So get on tactical arbitrage and go to the always be scanning tab, and there's going to be new products all the time, and just use filters. I have a whole tutorial on how to do it, okay? Just set some filters for the categories that you like and start looking at those products, okay? You're going to find some leads. I guarantee that you're going to find some leads if you start doing a little bit. I shoot a live sourcing video where I actually used that tool and I was able to find a product quite fast, okay? So yeah, super easy to do. Get into the tool, get into tactical arbitrage, look at the products. It's literally 3 products that they send you, okay? Look for a little bit, and so let's say we can get these for 144. It's a little bit too expensive, but you get the idea. Look at it. You're gonna have some mismatch, like you know how arbitrage, you know how tactical arbitrage works, right? You're gonna get some mismatch, but you're gonna find some leads, okay, if you set your filters right. And if you want to see my exact filters, watch my other video. But like tactical arbitrage, always be sourcing is going to yield you some leads, okay? And sometimes also it's good to switch it up, all right? So do not always do the same thing, because that way you can stay creative. And like if you start doing the same thing over and over again, especially if you are not finding anything, you are going to be frustrated, and this is how people quit, okay? So try to switch it up sometimes, to just switch up the vibe a little bit, and you'll find some different leads, and it's an easy way to find other leads, all right? And so that's the second thing that you should add to your daily routine. Start introducing the always be scanning tab. Review the always be scanning tab once in a while, all right? The third and final thing that you should introduce into your target list. I'm sorry, it's a little bit late. I'm a little bit tired. You see it from my eyes, right? But the last thing that should actually introduce into your Amazon business is this, into your online arbitrage business is this, okay? So if you should do some storefront stalking, you should automate your storefront stalking, all right? So let's go onto Amazon.com and open a random ASIN, okay, such as this one, all right? So what you should do, and of course it did not open, what you should do is start using Tactical Expander to scrape Storefront, okay? So if you have a product that seems like a good product, what you can do is I think you can just run it this way, all right? And so you just click there, you do a deep search, all right? And you let it run for a little bit, all right? You let it run for a little bit, and it is going to scrape every single ASINs, okay, every single ASINs for, and I don't think that you can actually run it this way. You probably need to add all the storefront, but I'm going to show you how to do it by adding the storefront, okay? But it is going to scrape all the ASINs from all the storefront on that listing that you are going to add, right? And so if I stop it, yeah, it's not going to work like this. The way you need to do it is this way. You're going to need to open every single storefront that is sitting on that great ASIN that you found, all right? So I'm going to open a few to show you how it works, all right? And so what you're going to do is you are going to, and I used to do this a lot, by the way, before. I used to always run those search. I don't do it anymore that much, but like if you are in need of some leads, it's a great thing that you can do to find some replans, okay? So you are gonna copy and paste the URL, okay, for every single one of those storefronts this way, all right, one below the other. Here we go. And you are going to run a deep search, okay? So make sure to click here and run the search, right? So what it's going to do is going to scrape all the ASINs, going to get all the ASINs from those storefronts, okay? And so once you do have all those ASINs from those storefronts, what you want to do, and I'm going to stop this early, all right? But what you want to do is export this to Tactical Arbitrage, all right? And so you are going to go on Tactical Arbitrage, you are going to go to reverse search, here we go, reverse search, here we go, and you are going to run a search, all right? You are going to run a search for every single one of those ASINs, a reverse search for every single one of those ASINs that you scraped. What the tool is going to do, I'm going to show you how to do it in a few, don't worry about it. What it is going to do is that Tactical Arbitrage is going to look for all those ASINs on all the website that is on its database, all right? And so you are going to choose this, okay? You are going to toggle this, okay? Import ASIN extraction from Tactical Expander, and you're going to click, I don't think you need to click on import, it's right here, okay? Let me just here we go. So now it has been imported. Here we go. So it's right there. So you can select all the domains that you want to use. Okay, so you can either select all or select just a few if you are looking for a specific website, but just select all and let the search run. Okay, let the search run. Here we go. Let's just run the search. Do not put any filters. Do not remove any products, because you can usually manufacture your margins tiny bit more if you find a coupon, because it's just going to scan every single website. And so it's do not use any filters. Do not do any price sourcing, price adjustment, except maybe 2% for your credit card. But like, just and actually scanned one product and it found one product. It scanned 5 products and it found 2 products, right? And so what you want to do is let those search run. It's going to take a little while because it's going to check products on a ton of different websites. And then you want to check the data, all right? And so just review these. Let it run for a whole day. Let it run for the afternoon, okay? Let it run for the whole day. Check them at night, all right? And you're going to have a few ASINs that you can look at. So right here we have 2. And by the way, look at the ASINs where the return on investment is not that high, because sometimes you can actually add coupons on top of the price that you are currently paying to reduce it, right? But if we actually look at this, all right, if we look at this product, if we look at this search, we see that it actually found the product on, is it Finish Line or on Macy's? Yeah, on Macy's, all right, so at 160. So it's not profitable, but maybe if you manufacture your margins, you are losing 34% return on investment, but you should check all those products, because if you can manufacture your margins with coupon, gift cards, and all that stuff, you are quite often going to be able to find those products. I found great products this way. But you just run this search once every other day, and you will be able to have some leads and something to look at actually to find some more leads. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you learned one thing or two. I know these tools cost money, but listen, if you want to make money, you need to invest money. All right, so yeah, like this video, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release a new video daily. Thank you for watching.